return now the motor valve to the machine. And also make sure the machine is turned off. This one connected here, and then this one connect here, and then this one from the exhaust. And then make it sure to screw this one tight. Put the flow cell. And then turn on the machine. So as you can see now, the one that I'm telling you before, this is the vacuum valve. Okay, now it's good, it's working now. The valve ranges from 6.8 to 7.0. And now this is the indicator of the mechanics you're using. It's the flow cell, because you're using flow cell. And then now it's increasing because we turn off the machine. Let's see if it is working or not. And see the sounds also, it's not like before. So before, you can see here the vacuum leak, and the motor stops, meaning the vacuum indicator already reached the desired amount of air inside it. Okay, so you can read sample, but after you read, or before you read sample for this machine, on doing any troubleshoot, you must have to run control and standards on what analysis is being programmed in the machine. Everything should be run with control and standards, because you open the machine and then you troubleshoot something, so the machine recognizes that you remove everything, disconnect everything. So you do standards and controls for better results. So now this machine is already good and ready to use. So this is it. You can now run anything you want in this machine, the program analysis in this machine. So guys, this is the machine for chemistry analyzer, and again we fix on how to troubleshoot a machine that has a vacuum leak error from this type of machine. So already now, this reading now already in the block, already in 36.8 until 37. So 6.8, even if you made the pulse, see, it will not go beyond 7 and below 6.8. Okay, so this is how to troubleshoot this machine when it comes to a vacuum leak error. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope somehow I add knowledge on how to troubleshoot machine like this one. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe with my channel. Okay, until the next video, God bless everyone, and thank you.